Greetings, YouTubers. I am actually using my my computer camera for this because there's a couple of things I want to tell you guys about real quickly. This is not going to be a long video, but I want to show you a couple of things that I have been using as far as gas goes. Well, one of these you can use for gas, you can actually use for a variety of things. You don't have to use it just for gas. You can actually use it for groceries, dining, um, convenience. Like if you go to the convenience store and you want to buy a drink or something, you can use it for that as well. And what I'm talking about is the first one here is called Upside. Hopefully, I'm going the wrong direction. I don't think you guys can see that. I'm probably going to have to make my screen a little bit darker. There you go. Oh, that's not what you need to see. I'm still going the wrong way. It's called Upside. So, it's still a little too dark for you guys to see. One moment. Let's see if that's not any better. One moment here. Let me make the screen a bit darker because I don't think that's actually gonna. Actually, it does help a little bit. Me making the screen darker and turning my overhead light off. Now let me turn the overhead light back on and see if you can actually see it now. Okay, this is called Upside. It's still a little dark. One moment here. Turn the brightness up. Alright, I'm gonna go this direction. Sorry, I'm dyslexic. Alright, so now you can see it. This is called Upside. You see that? My camera's a little on the fuzzy side. I'm not sure why. It could be because I'm holding it. But this is called Upside here. And as you can see at the top, or close to the top underneath the map, it says all. I use it for gas. But it also says restaurants, groceries, convenience. That's what that says right there. Now, I don't have a whole lot of money in this one because I also use a different gas app as well. And I'm going to get to that one in a moment. But there is one thing about this app here that I want to talk to you guys about. And hopefully, you make sure I'm using the right camera. I am. Hopefully you guys will do this for me, but you can actually do this for others as well if you find this app useful. Now if you go down to the bottom here where it says home, okay, so it's under home and then it has activity and then earn more, right? So if you go under earn more, here you go. It says invite friends, QR code, share QR, invite friends. As you can see, there's the invite code, and I'm actually going to put that in the description below. So, or it's the QR code. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to share the QR code, so I'm not too terribly worried about that. But what you can do is if you refer a friend, you unlock bonuses. So I think I have referred friends in the back just by using this, not actually putting on any kind of link. So, but before I post this video to YouTube, or when I post it to YouTube, I'm going to make sure that invite code is in there. And but you can use this for many other things. Like I said, I've only used it for gas. I really don't use it at any kind of grocery store whatsoever, but that doesn't mean that you can't. If you are on here and you like to go out to eat, check out the restaurants. Let's see here. Let's go back to home. Let's go to restaurants. So, like, I'm in Florida, so you got 20% cash back on KFC. You got 31% cash back on Five Guys. 2% cash back on Dunkin' Donuts, which that should be a lot more. 26% cash back on Papa John's. Domino's Pizza, 37% cash back. I'm not sure what this is. It says PDQ. In-store purchase only, but it's 33% cash back. IHOP, 15% cash back. Chili's Bar and Grill, 5%. I mean, and these are various locations of where I live. Most of these are out in Ocala because we don't have them here except for Dunkin' and KFC and Domino's. Those three we have out here because I live in a small location. But at any rate, you go to restaurant, then you go to groceries. There's well, we don't have that one anymore. It was Save-A-Lot. We don't have a Save-A-Lot where we are anymore. But then you go to convenience, Circle K, Shell. Mostly it's Circle K and Shell. Which means if you buy something in the store, like a coffee or a soda or something like that, if it falls under this, so it says 1 cent gallon cash back, 13 cash back inside the store. So anything you buy inside the store, you're going to get 13% cash back. That's what I need to use, and I forget. But that's what I need to use. You know, I had the volume off this entire time. I might have to do this video all over again. Oh.